What is up, YouTube? How's it going? And it's me, Mr. Graves, here doing another video talking about a little update on my advertisement on BTC clicks. I purchased about 12,000 ad clicks last night, and they're just about done coming in. And I'm going to show you my results. Now, when you're buying traffic, I just want to let you guys know, when you're buying traffic, like, you can't just buy traffic maybe like on 3 or 4 occasions and then just think, oh, I'm not getting no signups. Like, this thing doesn't work. Or you have to buy traffic consistently. Like, you can buy traffic 20 times and you still not getting no sales. That doesn't matter. It doesn't really matter about your sales. It's about you generating leads. All right. That's what it's about. And if you've never done paid traffic before, I appreciate when I get a lead. I appreciate every single lead that I get, because I know how valuable it is to get leads. So just make sure that you're consistent with whatever you're doing, especially buying traffic. You can't just buy 1 or 2 traffic packages and if you don't get any signups and that's it. It's like, I'm through. Like, no, you have to be consistent and just be consistent and persevere through your hardships. I know it can be hard. You don't get any signups after you done paid your money, for traffic, but it's not really about. Just think about it. Like, how long did it take you to come around to me? How long did it take? People don't join things at their first try. You have to make sure that you have a follow-up system that you can follow up with these people. And just because you don't get an instant sign up, that doesn't mean you're not going to get any signups at all forever. It's not the end of the world. There's more traffic to get, there's more signups to get, and there's better quality traffic to get. So yeah, I just wanted to show you guys before I show you. I got about maybe like 5 or 6 opt-ins here, and I can tell most of these people are real people, because this guy, as you can see, visitor came from BTC clicks. But this last guy he's an actual person, because he has a filter in his email system. So he's still going to get my email. I just click that button right there, add it to the whitelist. But that's how I know these people are real people, from BTC clicks at least. It's not, I didn't get like 20 or 30 or 40 opt-ins, but I got a few, and I appreciate that as well. And as long as these are real actual people, then that's fine with me. As you know, when somebody opts into your lead lightning capture page, as soon as they opt in, they get this email from me. Okay, and it's completely automated. Everything is automated. So just let you guys know. As soon as somebody opts into your website, they get an email sent directly to their email address from you. Okay, so yeah, just make sure you guys stay consistent with buying traffic. I know it can be hard, but life is hard, so you just gotta just roll with the punches and charge it to the game, and then just keep on pushing. Just keep on moving forward. Thanks you guys for watching this little update on BTC clicks. More videos are coming soon. All the links will be in the description. Contact me, hit me up if you have any questions. I'm very open. Just contact me. I'll be willing to help you. Thanks for watching. See you on the inside.